everyone, you're watching Twin Buds. Today I'll show you how to prepare vegetarian American chop suey. For this recipe we will need 5 pieces of noodles and 2 packets of masala that's provided with the noodles. 1 packet Nor Chinese Manchurian gravy mix. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, half tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. We'll also need butter. Also need 1 cup spring onion, 1 cup mushroom chopped into pieces, 1 cup capsicum, 1 cup chopped potatoes, 1 cup carrot. We'll also need paneer or cottage cheese, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half cup corn flour, oil for frying. Now we will cook noodles in water. 3 noodles separately for frying. From water, we can strain the water and prepare it for frying. We can strain the noodles. Place the noodles in cold water to stop it from cooking. Then strain the water. We can add cornstarch to dry the noodles. Add cornstarch as required and lightly dust it to remove excess water from the noodles. Allow it to dry. Add cooking oil and boil it. Add noodles into the hot oil and remove it from oil and set it aside. Add small batches and fry them. Then add vegetables and saute it quickly. Add capsicum. Add potatoes. Saute them in a high flame. Then saute mushrooms. Then add spring onion or green onions. Add tomato sauce. Green chili sauce. Soy sauce. Mix well. Then add salt, pepper powder, garlic powder and onion powder. When the vegetables are done, we can remove it from heat and set it aside. 450 ml water. Then add all the contents from the gravy mix. Whisk it to mix well. Then add the contents into a wok. Add some butter and bring it to boil. Now the sauce is ready. We can add cottage cheese. Add vegetables and simmer for 1 minute. Now the sauce is done. In the meantime, we can prepare the rest of the noodles normally, like we have the instructions from the packet. Cook the noodles in hot water. We have cooked two noodles and added the powder that was provided with the noodles packet for a few minutes until the sauce thickens. Soft noodles is now ready. Serving bowl, add some soft noodles, then add crispy noodles, then add sauce, add some spring onion for garnish. Now American chop suey is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.